There are some things that cannot be controlled, such as temperature, humidity levels, and the quality of air in the region where you live. Although, the same is not true when it comes to the inside of your home, as you can get complete control of the air quality here, with a handful of devices such as air conditioners, air purifiers, and whole house humidifiers. There are many products available to choose from. Best whole house humidifier, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did quality research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best whole house humidifier from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Levoit humidifiers. Now that you are all caught up with the highest performing and premium whole house humidifiers in the market, let's talk about the affordable options that are suitable for common applications. Out of which, the offering from Levoit is pretty good for the price. Levoit humidifier is one of the cheapest whole house humidifiers you will find in the market right now. By simply looking at the specifications, you can tell that it is made for basic applications, as it has 1.59 gallons capacity and a coverage area of 735 sq.ft. While it might not be suitable for large homes, it offers efficient supply of both hot and cool mist for small houses. With dual output, you are capable of using the device in both summers and winters. There is also a humidity sensor, despite its budget-focused price tag, that brings automatic operation into the play. It also turns off the device when not needed for ultimate energy saving. If you believe in aromatherapy by essential oils, you will be glad to know that the Levoit humidifier also works as a diffuser for essential oils. It comes with a dedicated aroma box when you can deposit the essential oil and experience a clean and fresh output. The output speed is limited to 500 ml every hour, which is not bad for a compact device. Even with the low capacity, it offers continuous. Number 2. Lacidol Tower Humidifiers. A lot of users prefer a device that gets the work done while being a beautiful addition to the room when it comes to home appliances. For such an audience, the humidifier from Lacidol is almost perfect. The Lacidol Tower Humidifier is an excellent choice for those who are looking for a low-profile humidifier for their homes. It is suitable for the majority of houses as it features a coverage area of about 1000 sq.ft, along with a capacity of 4.2 gallons. The output of the Lacidol Tower Humidifier is about 1000 ml every hour, which should bring up the humidity levels of your home pretty quickly. On top of that, it can be used for 48 hours straight, without needing a refill with the given capacity. There are 4 mist discharge speed options provided on the device that are low, medium, high, and turbo. Hence, you can use this device all year long without any regard for the season change. As this is a tower humidifier, it becomes really easy to refill the machine. It is a top fill machine, and you can simply fill it from the top without needing to disassemble it. It consists of a humidistat provided by the manufacturer that accurately detects the present humidity levels and automatically selects the best course of action for your house. As for the manual control, you can set up the device to maintain the humidity level anywhere between 40 to 90%. The sensor also detects when the required level is achieved and turns off the device to save energy. You can also select the sleep mode for nights, which will generate only 35 decibels noise when active and offer you a relaxing sleep. Number 3. Vornado Evaporative Humidifier. Vornado is one of the few brands in the market that offer its products within a budget-friendly range, along with a long warranty period. You will find the same with the whole house humidifier from Vornado. We are placing the Vornado EVAP40 Evaporative Humidifier in the second position of our list, as it offers a long warranty period within a budget-friendly price range. This is designed for domestic installations as it offers 4 gallons of capacity and a total coverage area of 1000 sq.ft. These stats might feel a little weak but are surely justified for the price. As for the design, it is more of a rectangular and wider device, as compared to most other choices on our list. This is because of the deep-pitched blades installed on the unit for air intake. Same goes for the output, which takes place by the Vornado's signature vortex technology. Once started, the Vornado EVAP40 Evaporative Humidifier will be active for about 24 hours straight, until the tank is completely empty. Therefore, you might have to refill the tank every day if you are going to keep it active 24/7. But, you can also adjust the performance within 3 different RPM speeds for the fan, that is 750, 1150, and 1600 RPM. With lower speed, you will get a better standby period. There are dual tanks installed in the Vornado EVAP40 Evaporative Humidifier that are completely Number 4. AirCare Whole House Humidifier. We are putting the Whole House Humidifier from AirCare next of our picks, simply because of its elegant design and large coverage area. It is simply the best choice for daily usage. Our first choice for the best whole house humidifier is the AirCare 831,000. As the title suggests, it is literally a space saver option as it comes with rather a compact form for the given coverage area. Also, it features digital controls on the unit to make it easier for the user to input perfect variables. There is a built-in humidity stat which is crucial for optimal performance. This is basically a humidity sensor that detects the humidity in the surrounding air and shuts off the unit when desired levels are reached. It also shuts off the device when the unit is completely empty, which is beneficial for the well-being of the machine. As for the capacity, it offers 6 gallons of capacity, which offers a continuous usage of about 70 hours. Hence, you might not need to refill the unit every day, as it will be active for about a week of normal usage without needing one. There is a TrapMax filter technology that offers additional protection and avoids releasing harmful content into the air. Number 5. AirCare Whole House Humidifier. Low-capacity air humidifiers are not very useful for industrial applications. Therefore, we are introducing a handful of brands like AirCare that offer great products for heavy-duty performance. The AirCare H12600 is a slightly higher budget choice compared to other picks in our list, as it is designed for commercial as well as large homes. It offers a coverage area of about 3,700 sq ft, which is basically enough for most applications. Also, you will be getting an output of about 11.9 gallons every day, which is more than sufficient to maintain higher than 50% humidity. This unit works on evaporative technology, so that the obtained results are completely natural and free from white dust. There is an exclusive comfort sensor installed in the AirCare H12600 that automatically detects the humidity levels in the room and makes necessary changes to the output automatically. If you are not satisfied with the care, you can also take matters into your own hands by manually changing the speed within 4 different options. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.